It's your smile, your face, your lips that I miss. Those sweet little lies that stares at me and make me say I'm with you through all the way, 'cause it's you who fills the emptiness in me. Changes everything you see when I don't look at you with me. There I was, an empty piece of a shell, just minding my own world, without even knowing what love and life were all about. Then you came, brought me out of the shell. You gave the world to me, and before I knew, here I was, so in love with you. You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life, and I've gone beyond existing. And it all began when I met you. I love the touch of your hand. When I look in your eyes, I just know I'm on to something great. And I'm sure my love for you will endure. Your love will light up my world and take all my cares away with the aching part of me. You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life, and I've gone beyond existing. And it all began when I met you. You gave me a meaning to my life, and I've gone beyond existing. And it all began, and it all began, and it all began when I met you. Hindi man nakarating, ilang beses din tayo umiti. Hindi na mapilang ating mga tampuhan. Ako'y pati na hindi na malayan. Sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa'yo. Sa huli, palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit man, nais kong malaman iyo. Kembalikan mahirap luhat lahat. Ikaw ang paborito kong desisyonan. Ang paligiran at gulo. Ito pagpapalik sa mundo. Ito tayo sa huli.
Just to remind everybody, we have still food here. Sa lahat po ng gustong bumalik, ay welcome na welcome po kayo. Thank you.
Palit sa'yo sa huli. Palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman iyo. Sa pagdating ng ating bilagang ito, mabuti kabalik aking bituin, tatawin kong nangangin sa muling sa muling palagi. Babalik pa rin sa yakap mo sa huli. Palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman iyo. Palagi. Thank you so much po.
Inuulit ko po sa lahat po ng gustong bumalik para kumain ay meron pa pong pagkain. Thank you.
River can never be long enough for me. Feel like I've had long enough with you.
Lang yan. Boyfriend ko palang Tita Chris niya. Dinadalan ko palang galing QC. Inuuwi ko yung animal na balloon para sa kanya. Ayun, hanggang sa kanilang tatlo magkakapatid. Ayun, maliit pa lang si Nico. Ayun, inom niya rin sa binyag nga si Tito Chris niya. Kaya, andito lang ako na, alam mo yan. Kayo magkakapatid. Ako ang pangalawang nanay niya sa kumpang. Pati ikaw na rin. Ang pagkikailangan kay mama, kay nanay Anggut. Yun lang. Congratulations mga anak. And super happy kami sa inyo. Alam niya yan. Mahal na mahal namin kayo. Miko, alam mo yan. Lagay, alam mo yan. Yan. Aabot. Pwede na tayo magkaroon ng stars pag mamamasyal. Hindi na uuwi ng maaga. Ayun. Pwede na tayo abutan ng stars. Kahit saan pa tayo mamasyal. Hindi na nagmamadali. Para ihatid ka. Ayun na, anak. Congratulations. Thank you. Thank you, Mama.
Now, next is picture mo na 1, 2, 3. Next is Sir Mike Miranda for the message.
Hello. congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Isa lang masasabi ko, no? Actually, rin si Miko. By the way, boss kasi ako ni Miko eh. So, nung unang nagtrabaho sa akin si Miko, sabi ko, anong gagawin ko dito sa bata na to? So, marami akong nasa isip, marami akong gustong ipagawa. So I'm sure pati si Miko nandito eh. Kasi ngayon may papagawa ko sa kanya, bukas iba na naman. So susunod iba na naman. Hanggang iba na naman yung kumpanya pinasukan niya. So ngayon lumipat na siya doon sa isang company. No? Pero ganun pa man, si Miko, isa lang masasabi ko. Talagang kung sinabi mo na mabait talaga si Miko. Kahit na anong init ng ulo ko, kahit na alam ni Miko yan, nagagalit ako sa opisina eh. Pero pag nakita ko si Miko, parang hindi ko magalit eh. Talagang, kaya minsan pag sabihin ko, Miko, inom tayo. Pasensya ka na, kasi alam ni Rain yan. Siguro, lalo na nung nakaraan, siguro once a week, pag sinabi ko, Miko, inom tayo. So, konti lang naman. May mga experiences, mga kami ni Miko na nakakatawa. Atin na lang yan. Alam mo yung nangyari. Hopefully, matuloy pa rin. Pero hindi, kaya mo, hindi ko na siya masyadong kukulitin ng minom. At konti na lang yung inumin namin. Isa lang masasabi ko siguro, no, nabanggit nga ng uncle mo, no, yung father kanina, na God's commandment is love. No? But there's one thing that I would like to add on to that, which is yung commandment of marriage, which is, in addition to love, it's actually respect. So you have to respect each other. Yung love kasi, based on God's commandment, is a noun. But put it into action. So you have to have love as a verb. Of course, what is love without respect? So you have to love and respect each other. Kahit na anong mangyari, there are times sa pagising nyo, alam ko, pagising mo, pangit ni Miko. Diba? So you will not always have that na masaya, maganda. You know, it's true na there are times na, you know, but what moves you forward is actually love. But what keeps you together is respect. So just put love and respect, and of course, put God in the middle of your relationship. Again, congratulations sa inyo. And Rain, payagan mo naman siya paminsan-minsan.
Thank you, Sir Mike Miranda, for that. Michelle, after the picture of Sir Mike, kayong dalawa po ako mag-picture. Okay ba, Michelle? Okay, after this is message from our through Quick and Tian, and we're excited to hear her heartfelt words.
Medyo mahaba po, sorry po. Naikli lang pala na. 8 years ago, I sat down at the HR office where we work now. I saw a young lady and sat beside her. Both of us were shy, but we still managed to make a small talk without even knowing each other's name yet. Wait, small talk ba yun kung alam na agad natin from the first day kung saan tayo gagraduate at yun tayo mag-take ng exam? Good evening, everyone. My name is Regina, Momsh to the bride. We sat beside each other for less than 15 minutes 8 years ago, yet we managed to talk like we had been friends forever. It feels like forever. Ang dami na namin napagkwentuhan, pero ewan ko ba, parehas talaga namin nalilimutan lahat. Pag tingnan niyo po yung group chat, yung chat namin dalawa, lahat yun, kailan mo sinabi yan? Siguro ganun talaga yung friendship namin. Walang small talk, at talaga kami nagkukwentuhan. Pero ang hirap pala gumawa ng speech. Kasi wala talaga akong maalala. The preparation leading to this day made me realize how much we've grown together. From work besties to real life besties. These days, we talk about grown-up stuff. Work-related discussions turned into banters now. Who would have thought that after 8 years, I will be speaking in front of the person that you love? But have you seen her killing face? Because I have. It was inside the toddler classroom when she told us about this guy she had been talking to. Her face lit up. Her eyes turned into a happy little line, and her nose did that cute little scratch. She was talking about you, Miko. Miko, you make her happy. From the very start, since you started talking, that smile never faded. And I am so lucky to witness her happy face again today. She was so excited for us to meet you. Kaso Miko, sorry, kahit ilang beses yata kayo mag-meet ni Eugene, di niya maaalalang Miko at hindi Miko. Pero Miko, you fit right in. The moment you left after we first met, nag-meeting din kami. And we're happy to report that we loved you. We saw how attentive you are to Lorraine. And kung may kailangan siya, at kung may gusto siya, nandyan ka. And that day, walang minutong hindi siya nakangiti. Maybe in our own tito and tita way, we felt calm because we knew Lorraine met her match. A man who makes sure she is happy and supported. We knew you were the one nung pumayag kang mag-drive kasama si Lorraine papuntang Lasal Dasma para lang bumili ng takoyaki na I quote, lasamang. Pero para lang sa gabing to, yun ang best takoyaki in the world. You look at Lorraine with the eyes that twinkle. You see, Lorraine is very independent. She does everything on her own. But with you beside her, we all know she will never have to do it alone. Miko, I hope to see her kilig face every single day. Lorraine deserves all the happiness in this lifetime. May you both live a happy life together. May your love be modern enough to survive the times, but old-fashioned enough to last forever. The love, the laughter, to happy ever after. Congratulations to the newlyweds.
Thank you very much, Regina, bridesmaid of honor, and as one of the groom's closest friends, he has a special message to share. So please, Sir Joshua.
Good evening, everyone. Paano ba umpisahan? Sabi nga daw nila, sa elementary school mo pa lang makikilala mo yung first love mo. So, doon ako nakilala ni Miko. Nagtitinginan pa lang kami nito ni Miko eh. Talagang todo ngiti na kami nito. So, sa mga di nakakilala sa amin is, grade school pa lang magkaibigan na kami nito. Then, high school namin, dito nag-umpisa yung matalik namin, alam mo na, pagkakaibigan. Yung ewan ko lang pare kung maalala mo pa yung time na yung ikaw nag-imbita sa akin na sumama sa mga boys. Kasi lagi ako sa girls kasama na. Parang, Joshua, tara dito, lagi ka sumama sa akin. And that day, I know he's the one. Ayun, sobrang talaga dami pinagsamahan namin nito ni Miko. So, grade school, high school, college, hanggang sa, kasama ko na to si Miko sa pag-cut ng classes, sa sobrang sipag namin nito ni Miko, papasok ako sa school, kahit walang pasok, napasok kami. Tapos, na-aksidente tuloy kami, nabangga namin yung baka. Nakabangga kami ng baka. Nagsisipag na kami ayun, na-aksidente pa. Pero, alam mo yung pare, ang dami natin pinagdaan, ups and downs, diba? Alam mo yan. Saka, tama yung sinabi ni Lorraine kanina na sobrang bait ni Miko kasi minsan pag may mga inuman kami niya, trip ng tropa, Miko, saan ka? Alam mo naman pare. Siyempre, papaalam mo na kay Commander to. Kaya nakabait si Miko, kaya alam kong hindi ka papabayaan ng Lorraine. So, ayun. Ang ma-advise ko lang talaga sa'yo, Miko, is lagi ka lang makikinig kay Lorraine. It's either tama siya or tatamaan ka. Thank you and happy best wishes.
Okay, thank you, Joshua. Miko's best friend. Ba't ka naiyak? Okay. Si Ma'am Lori and si Sir Ruben, what will be their message to our newlywed? Okay, groom muna, groom. Nandiyan ba si Kuya Mike? Ayun. O, groom muna tayo. Sabay na kayo, Ate Nelia and Kuya Mike. Si Tili, doon muna kayo. Pero doon na rin po kayong dalawa. To give their message sa kanilang bagong kasal na mga anak.
Congratulations sa inyo pareho. Tsaka thank you nga pala sa lahat ng pumunta po. Maraming salamat. Para ako muna. Basta ang ano ko lang, kasi iyak na naman ako, sayang na naman yung makeup ko. Kanina pa ako naiyak kumbaga lagi lang magmahalan lang kayo, respeto, yan. Hindi naman tama yung sinabi ni Sir Mike, hindi lagi happy. Darating talaga sa buhay mag-asawa. Andun yung ups and down, mga pagsubok. Yan sa pagsubok na yan, dyan kayo magiging matatag. Alam niya na may mga asawa, di ba? Kaya kapit lang at saka maging center lang palagi niyo si Lord para andyan kayo, matibay kayo lagi. At saka kahit anong mangyari, lagi lang maging matibay lagi yung inyong faith para sa isa't isa, lalo na kay Lord. At saka kahit anong mangyari, basta lagi kayo magtulungan, respeto, magmahalan. Yun lang. At saka kung sakasakaling dito lagi kami para sa inyo. Lorraine, sinabi ko, di ba sa iyo, mahal ka namin. Hindi lang si Miko, ikaw anak ka namin. Di pa man kayo kinakasal, kumbaga, sa akin, happy ako kasi nakita ko, ikaw yung ideal girl para sa akin. Totoo yun, totoo po yun. Kasi mabait si Lorraine. Mabait. Kaya sabi ko, Miko, ako, basta kung ano yung sinasabi mo rin, sumunod ka. Kasi tama naman rin yun eh. Kaya sabi, kung andito lang kami palagi sa inyo pareho. At saka ikaw, huwag ka mahiya. Mami mo na ako. Anak ka na namin. Kaya basta andito kami palagi sa inyo, tutulong kami. Sige.
Nasabi ni Miko. Nasabi mo na lahat. Congratulations sa inyo. Basta, andito lang kami ng mama mo para tumulong. Kaya, kailangan namin laging center si God, tsaka unawaan, respeto. Lahat naman ng bagay na pag-uusapan ng maayos.
Thank you very much. Picture muna, picture. Okay na po ba ang ating bride's parents? Wala. Okay, dilaw. Okay, so before we continue the messages from our bride's parents, I think they are here already. How about mommy? Okay, ganito muna. Let's have the traditional games para sa ating newlywed couple. Hintayin muna natin si Mami na bumaba. So I am calling all the single ladies.
Come on over, baby. Come on over.
Ay, wala. Lahat kayo may asawa? Lahat ng single ladies or yung separated? Dadali ka na!
Now put your hands up. I wanna single it. I wanna single
Bakit nag-aalis na kayo? Pakisarado ang pinto. Pakilock ang door.
Now put your hands up.
Halika na. Linis na. Lahat ng mga single.
Put your hands up. I wanna single it.
Come here na. Let's go na.
I wanna single it.
Ma'am Lorraine, Babaka, and Miko.
Hands up. I
boyfriend, go. Lahat. Dito po. Dito tayong lahat. Lorraine, doon.
Okay, Dalaga Pilipina naman. Huwag tanggal hawak. Go. 1, 2, 3, go!
Okay, Lorraine, doon ka sa may carpet. You are going to throw your bouquet. Throw the bouquet of flowers. And then, dapat may sumalo. Ang makakasalo ay bibigyan ni Lorraine ng cash prize mamaya. At bukod doon siya ang susunod na ikakasal. Kung wala kang boyfriend, magkaka-boyfriend ka. Okay. Okay. 1. Hoy, totoo yan. May cash prize yan na. May cash prize yan. Nahiya naman kayo dyan. Okay, 1, 2, 3! Hoy, dahil siya talaga. Ikaw. Okay, girls. Yung nakasalo ang maiwan. The rest, upo na. Picture, Lorraine and then nakasalo. Okay. What is your name, Ives? Okay, Ives. May boyfriend o wala? O, engaged ka? Hindi naman tama. O, isinta mo na doon. Tapos, Lorraine, ano ka dito? Upo. Nico, doon ka sa may doon. Okay, tapos, naisip ko, why don't you try to get it with the use of your teeth? Okay, ha? Hindi. Ngipin ang pangkuha sa legs. Okay, so, music please. Ulo mo! Hindi mo. Sige. Okay. Tapos, balik na. Tinatawagan ng mga lahat na hindi pa kinakasal na lalaki. Single. Mga single boys.
Ay, makulit! Go, sir, makulit!
Okay, yun. Alam mo yung tradisyon na kapag nasambot mo yun, para may swerteng pupunta sa inyo, sa buhay nyo. Kaya, I think it is much better kung mag-una-unahan kayo sa pagsambot noon. Okay? Okay, and count of 3. 1, 2, 3! Okay, thank you, boys. May iwan ka dyan. May picture kayo ni... What is your name, sorry? Okay, yung hala. Nasaan si... Dito na lang. Paano ba? Patayin mo na rin si Ma'am. Higher. Dapat above the knee. Okay na. Picture kayong dalawa. With a couple.
Cross, tingin lang. Okay.
No sir. Swing.
Okay na.
advice ni Ninang Michelle. She gave you her assurance na whatever happens, she'll be there as your second mom. The message of your Ninong Mike, commitment and respect goes hand in hand. Okay? Whatever it takes, whatever ups and downs or struggles, as long as you're together, you can make it. Adja. Okay? Do not post most of your private in live or in social media because it will not help you in any way, but it will just distract you. Okay? Keep private, stay decent, and we're just here for you. Okay? Malapit na naman Imus, di ba? Madali ka naman makauwi. O, pwede lang mag-antay ng stars, gaya ng sabi niya, hindi na magmamadali umuwi kasi kailangan nasa bahay na siya bago lumabas ang stars pag lumalabas sila ni Miko. So, parang may araw pa kailangan niya nang umuwi. Ngayon pwede na kahit abutin siya ng hating gabi or magdamag. Okay. Love you. Love you, both of you.
Ang dami nun ah. Wala na natira sa akin. Tuloy ko. Ingatan at mahalin, sigurain na higit pa sa pagmamahal namin sa kanya. Pakiusap. We welcome you to our camp. Yun lamang at maraming salamat. At kumbayan naman kayo sa inyong paglalakbay bilang mag-asawa. Just focus. We're there every time. Salamat.
Picture po muna. Okay, 1, 2, 3. One more. The floor is yours for your messages.
Hello. Good evening po ulit sa lahat. Thank you very much po for staying. The program is about to end and we hope to see you in the next milestones as we build a small family. Please stay with us until 8:30. May small fireworks po hinihanda si Papa Mike at ang DFP to wrap up the day. So, this thank you message will be a little bit long kasi we want to honor each of you. Alam namin, besides the expenses na nirender niyo po, ang pinakamahalaga para sa amin talaga ay yung time niyo. And you chose to stay with us until the end of the program. So thank you very much. First, thank you for making this dream come true. Matagal na po sinasabi ni Miko na magpapakasal na kami. Pero sabi ko, bago tayo magpakasal, gusto ko magkaroon muna tayo ng bahay. And he fulfilled that promise last year. Talagang pinush niya kahit mahirap. Kaya nandito na kami ngayon. Also, thank you to our parents. Alam nila since day one, ang suporta at pagmamahal nila ay walang katumbas. Sa aming mga ninong at ninang na walang tumanggi, lahat talagang niyakap kami bilang mga anak nila. Maraming salamat po. Alam namin na bawat isa sa inyo ay napaka-busy talaga. Simula kay Sir Mike Mimico, Ma'am Ann, Ninong Kong, Ninong Mayor, mga ninong ko po sa Seaton. Lahat yan busy. Ninong Chris, Ninong Michelle. May mga ninang kapuha na from Cagayan de Oro. Tito Toyet na nag-proxy, Ninang Dandan, Ma'am Mia, Thank you very much po talaga. Ninong Marvin. And Single Friends, thank you very much for staying. Kompleto pa yung table niyo. Thank you! Thank you sa mga naghanda rin ng bridal shower. I really felt the love. Thank you to my high school friends and to my only college friend here, si Isa. Nandito pa ba siya? Ayan, thank you. Kasi yung iba, malayo. Thank you very much din sa friends ni Nico na nag-alaga sa kanya nung wala pa ako. Thank you. Ganon din po sa aming pamilya. Lolo Boy and family from Zambales, Lola Hobing. Our family from Cebu, Tita Jennifer, Lola Baby, Tito Jean. From Cagayan de Oro, Tita Janjan, Tito Toy at Nanay Sally. Si Mami Chi. From Quezon City, Lolo Nando. Talagang lahat ay nag-render ng time. Thank you very much din po sa aming mga suppliers. From Baby, Miss Jelica and Sir Joel. Thank you po sa discount. Sa amin pong stylist, Sir John Estrelianes and team. Kung may mga events po kayo, ganun kaganda yung kaya niya i-prepare. Pati sa church, siya yung nag-ayos. Ganun din po sa aming photo and video team. Sir Jess, Sir Jerwin, and si Ma'am na napakagaling mag-edit. Our photo booth po today, Sir Jason and his assistant. Thank you very much. Ganun din po pala kay Ninang Ruth and Ninang Francis. Salamat po. Salamat din po sa team nila, Mikey, na talagang nandyan since the meeting. Ginagabi na po kami. Pupunta sila from work and to give us all the details. Maraming salamat. Salamat din sa aming wedding singer and guitarist who made this day memorable, extra memorable. Baka po may nakalimutan pa kami. Taas lang po kamay. Maraming salamat din po sa ninong ko from Amadeo. Napakalayo ng biyahe, pero nandito. Salamat po. Salamat din po kay Sir Pat, Ninong Pat na nag-organize ng bridal shower. Nakalimutan po pala ako yung major sponsor sa buhay namin ni Miko. Thank you, Tito Lloyd! Sana mabalik sa'yo lahat ng blessings na share mo sa aming lahat. Thank you!
Yung pagmamahal ko sa inyo will always be there. Miko, we love you. Welcome to the family. To the parents of Miko, maraming salamat po. To friends and lahat po ng relatives namin. Maraming salamat. Si Miko po ako masasabing mabait talaga. Lagi nagmamalo sa akin. Thank you, Ray. I'm always here for you, ha? Pagmamahal ko sa iyo, hindi mo akala.
Thank you! Ito po pala na pag kinakasal, laging umiiyak. Maraming salamat po sa lahat.
Nasabi niyo na po ulit lahat eh. Pero, thank you po. Thank you so much. Thank you po sa lahat.
Okay. Lahat naman nabate, no? Lahat na pasalamatan. Okay. Huwag kalilimutan na meron tayong fireworks mamaya sa labas after this program. And with that, we've come to the end of our wedding program. Thank you all for being here today and sharing in the joy of Nico and Rain. Let's keep the celebration going and enjoy the rest of the evening. Congratulations again to the happy couple. Once again, my name is Richard and I'm signing off. Thank you very much.
Sabi ko, lalighter ko eh.
Natatakot ata, layo na dito.
Go, kiss! Steady! Okay, kiss! Yan mo! Kiss, go! Go!